Do you like your fishy?
Show your eyes. Show your eyes.
Act like you're surprised.
Let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes.
Is that how you look when you're surprised?
Let me see your eyes.
Push like you have to poop.
Push.
Did you go poopy?
It's almost purple.
Are you pushing like you have to poop?
Okay.
Push like you poop.
Do you need help? Eat it. Do you need help?
I'm done. Tackle.
Show me your eyes.
Show us.
Show me your eyes.
Show your eyes. Show your eyes. Show your fishy.
You want help? You want help to get your cup?
Hey, help.
Do you want mommy help?
Oh.
Can you say please?
Show
Say
your
please.
eyes. Show your eyes.
Can you say please?
Please.
Say please.
Good job.
Good job, you said please. Say thank you.
Mom.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
You have your cup. Now say thank you. Beans? Can you say fishy?
You don't look so nice. Show me your eyes.
Eat your fishy. Okay, I'm going to put it away.
Say bye, camera.
Say bye-bye.
No.